Welcome to day 4 of the 30-day countdown to the Further Maths GCSE. So we're going to start by looking at the solution for day 3. And we were given a sequence, 5n squared minus 4 all over 3n squared. And we're told that one of the terms is 44 over 27. And we're asked to work out which term. So we're going to set ourselves up an equation. And then we're going to solve it to find n. So I'm going to start by cross multiplying. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 27 to cancel there, and both sides by 3n squared to cancel there. So doing that, we're going to get 27 multiplied by 5n squared minus 4. And that's going to equal 44 lots of 3n squared. So if we expand these brackets, we're going to get 135 n squared minus 108. That's going to equal 132 n squared. Now, whenever I solve something like this, I get rid of the least amount of my letter. So here I'm going to subtract 132 n squared from both sides. That's going to cancel there. So on the right, we're going to have 3n squared minus 108 equals 0. Now, you could grab your calculators and put this into the quadratic formula, or try to factorize this. But I think I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Now that will get rid of the 3 in front of my n squared. And 108 divided by 3 is going to give me 36. So straight away I notice that here I've got to subtract 36, so subtract a square number. So I'm just going to add 36 to both sides. So n squared is 36, and then square root both sides. So n is going to be plus or minus 6. Now, as it's a sequence, n has to be positive, so it is the 6th value in the sequence. We were also given a second part of the question. Where we were asked to find the limiting value. So we've got 5n squared minus 4 over 3n squared. So we're finding the limiting value as n tends to infinity. What that means is as n become very, very large, what value does this sequence get closer and closer to? Now, if n is becoming very, very large, this minus 4 doesn't really hold much value. So we're going to end up with 5n squared over 3n squared. But as you can notice, we've got n squared on top and bottom, so they can cancel out. So our sequence is going to tend towards 5 over 3. So today's question is double brackets and identity. So we've got 4x minus a all multiplied by 2x plus 1. And that's an identity to 8x squared minus 6x plus b. And you're asked to work out the values of a and b.